What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Yesterday, we weren't open, which I totally forgot about, as yesterday was President's Day, and I was anticipating to see how the markets would react, or cryptocurrency markets would react to the S&P 500, whether or not it opened at the bottom support, broke through it and closed over here, or if we actually started to trade above it. And that same thing is now going to apply to today. So in the next 2 hours, we're going to get the answer that we're looking for. We're either going to see prices start to trend or open and start to head downwards, and that's probably going to, correlate with the rest of the market and cause a lot of the other cryptocurrencies to start to trend lower, or hopefully we'll open on a positive and start to see markets trend up throughout the day, and that will hopefully influence major cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP to head up as well. But we'll see what happens, because I've spoken to a lot of people. There's a lot of fear in the markets right now, and there's a very big chance we could start closing below this price floor right here, which would send cryptocurrencies to the downside here. Not something that I'm too, fond of, but we'll see what exactly happens. We do have a bearish cross right here on the MACD, and there's a good chance we are going to continue to head lower, as we don't have much bullish news coming out anytime soon in regards to seeing markets swing upwards. There's just a lot of negative sentiment and negative talk from the SEC and IRS about rate hikes and stuff in that, in that bowl of information that is not necessarily good for our economy. So we'll see what exactly happens. It's not necessarily good for the price. Regardless, we are going to be looking at XRP, which for whatever reason decided to break through our pennant flag, descending triangle much earlier than we had anticipated. You can see yesterday we actually managed to see a major dump. And as you guys remembered, I basically said we're not going to be touching this pennant flag formation until we get confirmation. Either we close below or we close above the downtrend or the bottom support. Prices are either going to break bullish or break bearish, and then we'll discuss how we're going to trade around then. And you can see we did actually break bearish fairly quickly at a very aggressive rate, much earlier than we had expected here, which is fine. As you can see, we have a lot of rejection, major rejection off these moving averages. And now that we broke through pretty much this support level here at 76 cents, there's a big chance we could fall all the way down to 59 cents, as there's really not much keeping it between there. You can see here from 59 cents all the way up to 75 cents, it's a moonshot. And you can see from the drop here from 75 down to 59, it was a dump. There's no support levels allowing this coin to slowly but surely move down. So we'll see what exactly happens. With all of this being said, guys, definitely make sure still to take advantage of the free XRP that we're giving away for my birthday. I will be doing a drawing at the end of this week, so Sunday, and you can comment on any of our videos from this week, and I'll be picking one of the videos at random and then picking a random comment, and whoever comments their favorite cryptocurrency as well as comment subscribed will be the winner. So definitely make sure, if you want to enter the giveaway for this $130 crypto ticker that I have in the back of all my videos, definitely make sure to comment your favorite cryptocurrency as well as subscribed, as I will be checking. And if you're not subscribed, you'll not win. More importantly, today's video is brought to us by Warrior Alliance NFT. Hopefully you guys remember Warrior Alliance NFT. This has been a continued sponsor here on the channel. Basically, they are creating new to the crypto metaverse of games, specifically the crypto gaming world, basically NFTs that actually have tons of utility in their specific game that they have, which is really cool to see that this is where NFTs are progressing to. So more information about Warrior Alliance NFT will be in the description of today's video, as well as you'll be going over them at the end of today's video in depth. So definitely stay tuned for that, as they have a pretty incredible NFT on OpenSea, and you can actually see how crazy the price floor has gone in the past couple of weeks since they have launched. Some more information about that. With that being said, guys, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's video. So before we dive into the technical analysis, super quickly, I do have a video launching today at 2 p.m. Turn on post notifications, save the time, because I'm dropping this video, as you can see here on the screen. We're going to be launching how to pay crypto taxes for our beginners, as well as new crypto laws for 2022. So I spend probably 10 to 12 plus hours working on this video, creating a script, researching the content, showing you guys possible ways to actually save money on your crypto taxes, to file your crypto taxes properly, the steps and changes that are coming to cryptocurrency, which is extremely important considering that we all have to pay our taxes by April, and you'll be shocked to see who is actually eligible for paying cryptocurrency and who isn't. So pretty crazy. Highly recommend you checking this out. Show support. If this video does well, then I'll know to make more like this, and this is honestly what I've been trying to make for a very long time. Now that I'm a full-time crypto YouTuber, I'd really like to continue to make content like this. So I do need your guys' opinion in the comments on this video, what you think. Now, diving into the technical analysis, you guys can see the current coin market cap is consolidating. Once again, markets are slightly down though, but we are consolidating, only down about 1%. And everything is pretty much on this correction downwards, continued down. Yeah, 1 to 2% on average here. Well, the crazy thing is when we jump to the XRP chart, this was what I wasn't expecting this early, but was anticipating. We are anticipating this a few days later, closer to the end of February. It actually happened a little earlier on the 21st of February, so yesterday. You can see here we do have this really big downtrend and price floor, and you've seen clearly higher lows form, where each time we try to break up, we hit the previous high, or we go lower than the previous high, and we continue to trend downwards. You can see not only was the downtrend affected there, but the moving averages also pushed the price downwards. We finally broke through this price floor. Did I buy in? I know that's the answer you guys are looking for. No, I didn't, and I'm honestly going to wait to see how the S&P 500 decides to open today, because you can already see there's a major reversal doji candle forming, starting to swing up. You can also see for Ethereum and Bitcoin, the prices are starting to trend upwards. So we do have a trade on Bitcoin, as you guys remember here, and there's a chance we could get stopped out. There's a very big possibility we could get stopped out. Even if we do, we're up tons of profit, even if we do decide to start to see this reversal. But regardless, I do think we're kind of free floating in the middle of an area that probably is going to swing us down to 59 cents. My target for XRP is down to 59 cents. So dependent on how the S&P 500 does today and closes today, maybe I'll consider buying into XRP tomorrow, but it really all depends on how this S&P 500 decides to open. Maybe when we open at 9:30, if we start to trend lower, maybe then I'll throw in some money into XRP on our Bityard leverage trading platform, as you guys should be familiar with. Link in the description. You can also earn free crypto by clicking Get Free Crypto right here. Super cool. We also have a demo account, so you can actually trade around with free cryptocurrency, like Monopoly money, until you are, comfortable, and then you can use real crypto. But regardless, there's a chance now that these cryptos can continue to plunge lower. You can kind of see me drawing it out here. We're not at our bottom support yet. So all these cryptocurrencies kind of look like they need to continue to drop till they retest bottom support. Bitcoin is right here. We have Ethereum going right here. We have XRP going right here. We're kind of floating in the middle now, and I feel like it's all dependent on how the S&P opens. S&P starts to break bearish. It's going to be a big drop, and it will pull the other cryptos with it. Regardless, though, because this broke here, I'm on the fence, but I do have a target set at about 59 cents for XRP. As for the other cryptocurrencies, before we wrap up today's video, Ethereum was also a very profitable trade. We didn't take advantage of this, unfortunately, which is totally fine, but we're not looking too good. There's a lot of major rejection and just negative fear across the board here for most of these cryptocurrencies. And there's a chance we're going to continue to dump lower. My biggest pet peeve and what I'm paying attention most to is the way these react on the weekly charts. You can see what happened is we got rejected immediately off the moving averages here on the weekly charts here, and we're starting to trend lower. Currently, we are being held up by a pretty solid support on the moving average. So we'll see if we break through this here, or if we can hold above it and then start to trend up, or are we going to come back down to this bottom support here at 59 cents, which I think is rock bottom, and kind of play around in here inside the massive descending triangle here. So we'll see. But I do believe rock bottom before XRP is 59 cents, and I don't really believe we are going to be breaking through that anytime soon. That's kind of where my head's at with this major descending triangle that's forming on XRP's weekly. Now, in regards to the other cryptocurrencies here, when we zoom into them, Bitcoin is a profitable trade that we have. I don't think we're going to continue to head upwards right now. I'd be shocked to see a recovery say, actually it is possible now that I'm looking at it. For the first time in a very long time, Bitcoin actually managed to catch up with its moving average here. So we are intertwined in this level. So there's a lot of uncertainty and there's a lot of bottom supports being retested. Not only do I believe that 31K is pretty much rock bottom, or 30,900 is rock bottom, but intertwined with these moving averages, there's a good chance we're going to hold. Granted, the last time we were actually below these moving averages was 2 years ago, which is pretty insane. And we weren't below it for that long. So we'll see how exactly these coins react to, but a healthy consolidation back down to these moving averages, as well as the support, might say, hey, maybe we're at the bottom here and maybe we'll start to see a trend reversal. I don't know. There's a lot of things floating around in this market right now. All we're doing is playing short term, and we'll see how exactly these markets play out in the long term. With that being said, guys, you do want to talk more about Warrior Alliance NFT with you? I want to give a huge shout out to Warrior Alliance NFT for sponsoring today's episode. As with all NFT projects, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So guys, world renowned for his real life combat expertise, Tony, aka Real World Tactical, is a social media star and owns multiple businesses in the tactical, fitness, and MMA industries. Now, with over 1.5 million followers on social media, he started his journey in 2014 and has worked endlessly to build a reputable brand that he is both proud of and continues to grow in popularity. Not only Tony, but his entire team is doxed on the website, which is rare to see in the space. Now, some of you might actually recognize Tony from Call of Duty. Yes, he is the real-life version of Lurch Ortega, which is the leader of the Shadow Company. So what does this actually have to do with NFTs? Well, Tony and his team are gearing up to release his own metaverse game, which incorporates battle-ready warrior NFTs that become your own in-game character. Now, the best part is this collection of NFTs actually has different tiers and customization options, allowing you to have some control over the appearance of your NFT. Now, working alongside Warrior Alliance is Tipping Toast, which is a game studio with 15 years of game design, animation, as well as 3D modeling. Now, their passion drives them to always exceed expectations and create something unprecedented. Now, their extreme attention to detail makes these guys stand out among 1,000 other agencies, and this is exactly why Warrior Alliance NFT chose them to help build the best gaming experience possible. Now, known as the Elite Metaverse Warrior Alliance NFT collection, the Warrior Alliance Genesis collection is a collection of 500 hand-drawn legendary characters, which I'll tell you about in a minute. But currently, the first Genesis mint sold out to a private whitelist and has been holding strong at over 1 Ethereum floor, giving all the holders 6 to 7x their investment. Now, this collection comprises of 500 hand-drawn warrior NFTs possessing attributes that have been personally selected by their holders using the Warrior Alliance custom NFT builder. Now, having a Warrior Alliance Genesis token allows holders to receive enhanced utility and perks within the exclusive Warrior Alliance community and play to earn game. And because they just closed their private whitelist, they're currently preparing for the Gen 2 launch, but will be giving away a few remaining spots as they approach the soon-to-be announced mint date. So in order to play in their game, you must first become a warrior by having an NFT character, fair enough. And the Warrior Alliance is currently only accepting 8,888 select freedom fighters in 3 warrior tiers, which include standard as randomly generated NFTs, premium, which allows you to choose your race and gender, and legend, which has the most customization, allowing you to choose your race, gender, body armor, and special ability. So guys, you will need to hold an NFT to participate in the play to earn, the earn yield, token airdrops, as well as exclusive mint access to future launches, which comes with custom weapons, vehicles, supplies, and even physical product giveaways with real in-game utility, so don't miss this opportunity. Also guys, premium and legendary NFT holders will receive lifetime access to Real World Unleashed, all of Tony's on-demand training programs, and free access to his app launching in March of 2022, and even a lifetime gym membership to his gym in Miami, Florida, a 2-story, 13,000 square foot facility. Keep in mind, Warrior Alliance Discord members will get behind-the-scenes access to game development, as well as private prize contests. So guys, for more information about Warrior Alliance NFTs, utilities, and their metaverse game, be sure to check out the links in the description where you can find more information on their project. Otherwise, huge shout out to Warrior Alliance for sponsoring today's episode. As always, make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.